experiment. Potato stabbing fun. Let us do an experiment which will show you the power of air pressure. Aim. Use a straw to stab a potato. Things you will need: stiff plastic drinking straws. A raw potato. Let's do it. Hold a plastic drinking straw by its sides without covering the hole at the top and try quickly stabbing the potato. What happens? You will notice that every time you try to pierce the straw through the potato, it bends and becomes limp. Repeat the experiment with a new straw, but this time place your thumb over the top, covering the hole. What happens this time? Covering the top of the straw with your thumb traps the air inside, forcing it to compress as you stab the straw through the potato skin. This makes the straw strong enough to pierce the potato, unlike the first attempt, where the air is pushed out of the straw. Question time! Why could you not poke the straw into the potato in your first attempt? Because then the straw was not supported by the column of air inside it.